Dear children, yesterday I was taught you important terms of lesson 3rd in history. Now, lesson 3rd. After the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan by Muhammad Ghori 1192 AD, the Hindu ruler ended in North India and paved the way of Muslim rule. ये आपको हमने पढ़ाया था और इसके आगे अब हम चल रहे हैं। लिखते हैं इसमें, Ghori made Qutbuddin Aibak the governor of all conquered territories and returned home. In 1206 AD, Ghori was murdered by Hindu conquerors and Qutbuddin Aibak became the independent ruler of Ghori territories. घोरी के आक्रमण के फलस्वरूप बहुत सा धन लूटा गया और पृथ्वीराज चौहान को हराकर घोरी जब वापस जा रहा था, उसी बीच उसे हिंदू खूंखारों द्वारा, आताइयों द्वारा उसे मार दिया गया। इसके बाद जो क्षेत्र जीते गए घोरी के द्वारा, उनका सेना नायक कुतुबुद्दीन का गुलाम वंश कह दें, गुलाम वंश का नायक या कुतुबुद्दीन का सेनापति यहाँ इंडिया का या उसके जीते हुए क्षेत्रों का वह गवर्नर बना। लिखा है, इंडिपेंडेंस रूलर ऑफ घोरी टेरिटरीज, जो भी क्षेत्र जहाँ भी इंडिपेंडेंट रूलर स्वतंत्र आपका घोरी का जहाँ भी उसने अताई किया था, वहाँ जो जीता था, उस क्षेत्रों का ऐबक क्या बना? रूलर बना, इंडिपेंडेंट रूलर। द सल्तनत पीरियड 1206 to 1526 AD. The period between 1206 to 1526 AD is known as the age of the Delhi Sultanate in the history of India. Delhi was the capital of the Sultanate, who conquered a large part of the Indian subcontinent. During this period, 5 dynasties of Turkish rulers ruled in northern India. These 5 dynasties were Slav, the Khilji, Tughlaq and Sayyid and Lodi. ये 5 जो हैं वंशज, इन्होंने यहाँ पर शासन किया। इनके शासन काल को सल्तनत पीरियड कहा गया। स्लैब डायनेस्टी के अंतर्गत अर्थात कुतुबुद्दीन के द्वारा या उसके वंशजों के द्वारा या उसके रिलेटिव कौन है, के द्वारा जो शासन किया गया, वह सल्तनत पीरियड में स्लैब डायनेस्टी का है। स्लैब डायनेस्टी के अंतर्गत कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, शमसुद्दीन, इल्तुतमिश, रुकनुद्दीन, फिरोज शाह, रजिया सुल्तान, नसरुद्दीन अहमद, गियासुद्दीन। इसी के बाद खिलजी वंश, फिरोज खिलजी, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी और खुसरो मलिक। तुगलक डायनेस्टी, गियासुद्दीन तुगलक, मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक, फिरोज शाह तुगलक। आफ्टर इट सैयद डायनेस्टी, फिराज खान सैयद, मुबारक शाह सैयद, अलाउद्दीन आलम शाह, After it, Lodi dynasty, बहलोल लोधी, सिकंदर लोधी, इब्राहिम लोधी, इन लोगों ने यहाँ पर बारी बारी से शासन किया। इनके शासनकाल को ही हम सल्तनत पीरियड के नाम से जानते हैं। तो यहाँ पर सल्तनत पीरियड के बारे में पांचों के नाम बताए। यहाँ भी स्टोरी लिखता है, द सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पीरियड आर वेरियस कोड, क्रॉनिकल्स, ट्रेवलर्स, अकाउंट्स एंड हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग। Court chronicles, including the ones written by Amir Khusro, Ziauddin Barni, Yahya bin Ahmad, Niamud-Aula, etc. These throw a good deal of light on personality and major events of different rulers. Travelers' accounts comprise those of the Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, and Nikitin. Historical building of the period, including buildings such as Qutub Minar, Qutub-ul-Islam Masjid, Alai Darwaza, Tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Hauj Khas, Firoz Shah Kotla, etc. These inform us about the artistic sensibility of different sultanates. Now, the Slav dynasty. Slav dynasty के अंतर्गत कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. Qutbuddin Aibak was founder of the Slav dynasty. It was also called Mamluk dynasty, where Mamluk means own. They were called Slav king because three sultans of this dynasty were themselves slaves who had risen to power due to their merit, skill and abilities. Aibak ruled for only 4 years. He was a generous ruler and gave large sum of money to both Hindu and Muslim, for which he earned the title of Lakwaks, or giver of lakhs. Iltutmish. Iltutmish succeeded Qutbuddin. He is considered as the real architecture of the Muslim ruler rule in India. He suppressed many wars and consolidated his empire. He also saved his kingdom from the invasion of Mughal invader Genghis Khan. In 1229 AD, the Khalifa of Bengal bestowed of the title of Sultan of Hindustan on him. He organized the Chalisa. He group of the 40 nobles or the ruling elite, and also introduced coin currency. He introduced Ikta system. Razia succeeded Iltutmish. She was the first and last woman Muslim ruler of the medieval period. She was an able ruler only for a short period, 4 years. Short period of 4 years, 1236 to 1240 AD. Her successors were weak rulers after her death until the accession of Balban. Nasruddin Muhammad, another son of Iltutmish, ruled from 1246 to 1286 AD. He was a puppet in the hands of powerful nobles. Ghiyasuddin Balban, a royal slave of Iltutmish and also a member of the Chalisa, ruled for 20 years for 20 years, 1266 to 1286 AD. He is known for his blood and iron policy and finally destroyed the Chalsa as they were a gang of plotters. He defended his kingdom from the Mughal invasion. He forced the people to do sajda and paps are Jameen was. Now next day, Khilji dynasty.